Hey there, what are you doing differently for self-care this year? I am here in Vancouver with Esty at the Dermabrite Clinic. This is Anyssa, hello, from the ladies meeting, and we're here to talk about New Year's resolutions. I've been coming and getting skin treatments for the last couple months and really enjoying that, especially those of us who are over 45 kind of doing this thing here. What can we do for the new year?
Well, I mean, there's lots of things. I think for everybody, it's about prioritizing. Also, we work with budgets, so figure out what's important to you and what's your budget. I'll ask somebody, what is your retail budget? Because we have some amazing products. I tell everybody there's a few things when you're over the age of 40 for sure that you need to be using from a product perspective, and that is self-care as well. Vitamin C serum is really important, retinol, and collagen. So collagen, we lose 1% collagen a year once we hit 25. So collagen is always a focus for us, especially in the last couple of months. So we do collagen-inducing treatments here. We also have a great topical line that actually does penetrate the skin, 97% penetration, which is really huge. And then you can also take collagen. So if you do those three things, especially after 40, you can actually do a lot to really keep your skin looking good, from an I call it pro-aging kind of standpoint. Also, detoxing is very popular this time of year, so we have a sauna, we have a new service, a cellulite massage.
You have a sauna, I forgot.
Yeah, infrared. So Nissa's having a massage and a facial today on our membership.
Very excited.
So the membership's great too. It kind of gives you once a month, plus you can add additional services to come in and take care of yourself for an hour or two. We offer that choice of a membership waxing.
Well, what I really like about the membership part is I would never go out and buy all the creams that you try and see what you like and what you don't like. I would probably have just sat on my counter till it went stale or out of date, versus coming on a membership. You're always getting a fresh product. You're getting exactly the product that someone says you need. Yeah, someone who's far more educated than me about my skin. And I'm starting to actually see results. I'm really happy with it.
Well, that's wonderful.
This is Grandma 3.0. So.
There we go. Well, and that's a good point, because I find this time of year, and I'm sure for all of us, my skin is super dry. So you really do have to step up what you're using. Even like me, I'm in this business. I'm always fooling around with different things. But a hydrating facial is a good thing to have, as well as just a deeper, like a moisturizer that's maybe a little richer than you normally would. Also taking care of your lips, right? So chapstick in your hands. These are very susceptible.
Well, and I've noticed this year my lips didn't crack, which is, I live in Whistler, so I'm always out in hot, cold, and this year my lips are feeling great. So that might be a result.
Package, right?
Yeah, a little bit of dermabrasion and all that stuff.
So Dermabrite, we really care about our clients. Everybody says that, but we really do. For us, we're invested in you to get the results that you want. And everybody has different goals for what they're trying to achieve, whether it's pro-aging or they just have a little hyperpigmentation or, a little kind of, we actually just launched with a doctor Botox. It's not something I advertise per se, but he kind of comes in here when we have a need for it. And people, I know a lot of people who do Botox, and his prices they're actually really good. $8.88 to $10 per unit, which is a super good price for Vancouver. So that is something on your to-do list. Consider coming here. I also have an acupuncturist under our wellness center banner. So if you have extended health services, you can come in and see her. She actually handles a number of different areas: weight loss, acne issues, pain management. You can get, most plans are now covering.
And I had some Botox here for medical purposes, and it's not something you ever would have done otherwise, but you really do see the difference.
Look, Botox works. I don't do it myself personally. For me, I just have a thing about it. But I totally get that people like it because it does work. It's amazing actually that the 11s here, and so anything sort of above this is sort of Botox.
And I come from a family where my dad has that deep, like super, super deep, so it's always been a bit of a dread as well. So it was kind of interesting to experiment with it, because I was using it for nerve purposes from an accident that I was in. But it was good to see what it was like. So,
actually, there are lots of medicinal reasons to get Botox. So that people are doing migraines and things like that too. So we're here to help, and we have our website, dermabriteclinic.com. You feel free to shoot us a text or shoot us an email. Always happy. Free consultation, so you can come in and just get your skin looked at. It's actually a really good thing to do a few times a year, because the fact that skin is affected by seasons. We are all affected by what's going on in our lives. It changes month to month, cycles, all that kind of stuff. Hormones are a big player when it comes to skin health.
Really interesting about cycles, because mine's starting to fall off, is on your app on your phone, you can actually start tracking that in your health app.
Oh, really?
Apple
That's
Health
so
app.
smart.
Which for me, I was just concerned, because I'm like, it's just slowly disappearing. And it's like, it's not painful, it's not anything like that, it's just slowly just I don't feel hot flashes, nothing like that.
So perimenopause.
Yep.
Perimenopause.
But it's
yeah,
just like,
very
you know,
common.
it doesn't have to be horrible. It could just disappear.
Well, and
I
then you know
think
what?
that's okay.
Everyone's different. All we
Yeah.
hear about is the stories of people who have really bad experiences, but the fact is there's no one size fits all when it comes to this. And actually, a lot of women who never had acne as teens get acne in their 40s, you know, and beyond. So it's interesting, right? You just never know.
Good.
What to
I
expect.
already got acne, so we're good. It wasn't terrible, but I remember the forehead of zits.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you
Anyway,
know.
come out and see SG at a clinic. She's got quite a few different services here as well. So check out the website, and we'll see you later. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.